Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows 11 desktop refresh bug. You know that annoying issue whether your desktop doesn't refresh properly after you make changes. Maybe you delete a file, move something, and the icon still sits there like nothing happened. Super frustrating, but don't worry, I have got some easy solutions for you. Let's jump right into it. First, the quickest thing you can try is restarting Windows Explorer. Click Control plus Shift plus X to open Task Manager. Now find Windows Explorer in the list, right-click it, and select Restart. Your taskbar and desktop will blink for a second. That's normal. After restarting Explorer, check if the desktop refreshes properly. If that didn't work, let's move to the second fix. Sometimes third-party software can interfere with the desktop refreshing. Open Settings, go to Apps, look for any programs that might be related to customization, desktop tweaking, or even old antivirus software you're not using anymore. If you find anything suspicious, uninstall it, restart your PC, and check again. Now, if the problem still isn't solved, let's dig a little T-bar. Open Settings again, head to System, then Storage. Click on Temporary Files and clear our junk files. Sometimes avoided cache can cause weird bugs like this. Cleaning it up might just get everything back to normal. Another trick that often helps is updating your graphics drivers. Right-click the Start button and choose Device Manager. Expand this display adapters, right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows handle the rest. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can definitely mess with how the desktop refreshes. And that's it. Most people fix the problem just by restarting Explorer or updating their drivers. But if you need to dig deeper, now you have got the tools. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.